Just listed. Open house, Saturday, September 6, 2025 noon 2 p.m. Beautifully updated home in the middle of Portage. Features include a spacious kitchen with oak cabinets, vinyl plank flooring, custom pantry, appliances, including new dishwasher, and a half bath. Natural trim throughout, an open dining room with a bench seat and large windows, plus a living room with built-in shelves. Enclosed front porch with new windows adds charm. Main level includes a bedroom or office. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms and a full bath. Finished basement offers extra space with a half bath. Recent updates: 2024, roof, soffit, vinyl siding, gutters, slider to deck, 24 windows. 2023, kitchen/bath remodel, sump pump, washer. 2017, deck.